Here are the search results of Home Depot with reviews, with the images, with the rating, and with pagination. And here are the product details of Home Depot with images, with breadcrumbs, with specifications, and how many are in stock, etc. details that you will be able to extract after watching this video. Now, if you've ever tried scrapping Home Depot, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping Home Depot seems simple, right? Just go to website, grab whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? Nothing could be far from the truth. So in life, what seems really simple turns out to be complex. Same story here. So if you try to do it at scale, you are gonna run into various issues like captchas, page timeouts, blocks, or also honeypots, in which website is gonna give you the fake data instead of the real data. So how can you solve it? If you try to do it by yourself, you can use Playwright Puppeteer, you can use residential proxies, you can write the complex vector by yourself, which really could break next month. So let me show you a really easy way to get the Home Depot data, and you don't have to write any complex vector code and maintain it month over month, and you can easily grab the data in the next 5 minutes. Let's roll. We want search result data like this one, and also we want the detailed data about products like this one. Now, to get such kind of data, we need to take help of Python, and we are going to use a API called the Home Depot Scrapper API by Omar Cloud. Omar has been rated excellent on Trustpilot. To use this API, all you have to do is to sign up on Omar Cloud. Then on the dashboard, search for Home Depot. You will get this card. Just visit it. This API has various endpoints to get other search results and the product details, along with filters and pagination. So we are going to get data for field ceiling fan first. So here are the thing. I've just pasted in the parameters, and let's just keep it simple. Okay, just this normal ceiling fan, and let us get data for ceiling fans now from Home Depot. So we have got 9,000 plus products, and let us just compare this to the official Home Depot results. So if I search for Benning 52, I've got this product. It has 311 reviews and price is 99, same price. And if I just go to the next product, Mary 52, the same product to $21 and same 2356 reviews we have. And if we go to the next product, similarly, we have the next product, which is this one, Hugger 52. This cost $59.98 and same pricing, same 12,589 reviews. Every data point that's in here matches with that. We have 100% accurate data. We also have pagination. So let us get the data for the second page. So to get this, all we have to do is to just add a param here called page colon 2. And then we have to just wait for it to fetch data. It has fetched the data. So yeah, we again have the second page data and again same detailed data that we have. Now, if you go to documentation, that we can easily see that we have various filters and we can use sort. So let us use one filter called the min price filter and say we only want fans that are more than $600. So we have got back the data. And if you see the pricing for each, all are above $600. So all of this thing works. Now, let us just get the product details data. For the product details, there is an endpoint for it. We're going to take help of that. And what I want to get is the very first product that we see. Yep, this product, Benning one. I want to get that details. Just let's hit send again. So we have got the Benning 52 data and I can visit the link. And yep, the same $99 product that we have, Benning 99. Okay, same thing, same title, same we have images as well. And how many are there in the store? We can see that there's 7 are there in store. If we choose pickup, and same thing here, 7. And whatever data that's matches. So if we want to get free delivery, then same 556, so everything matches. We have 100% accurate data. Now, if you really want to make your life simple and just don't write to any complex vector code to get such kind of data, they can use this API. You get 25 free requests, so you can easily try it out. And again, Omkar has been rated excellent on Trustpilot, so you have in great company. And you can find the link to it in the description and can easily try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Thank you and have a great day.